Alrighty, welcome. Today is February 6th, 2021. Welcome to the Dave's Island Ukulele Workshop. We're going to start off a little bit differently today. If you guys know, there is a 100-day uk challenge going on, and I'm right in the thick of it. And today is day 7 of 100, and I'm playing a song every day for the next 100 days. And I thought I'd do it live today. So this is February 6th, 2021. This is day 7 of my 100 days of uk. I'm going to be playing a song, and then after we're going to have some training. So the song for today is already keyed up right on the screen for you. So it's going to be Sweet Pea. So you guys can follow along as I go along, but enjoy the song. Sometimes I'm out of control. You're the only reason I keep on coming. You're the only reason I keep on coming. Yeah, you're the only reason keep on coming home. Yeah. All right. So that was day 7 of my 100. I just want to give it out to all those 100-day ooksters out there. Oh my gosh, it's been amazing. First week, so much good music out there. And this was Sweet Pea by Amos. So this was live on my Saturday show. So thank you for listening.